خير جليس في الزمان الكتاب. The best companion at any time is Al-Kitab, the book. Stop browsing, stop scrolling. The best way to invest in yourself, best way to grow yourself is investing in books. Brothers and sisters, we are blessed to have a great book. There are many contributions in the field of Islam and in general contribution to the world is the reading culture. So we have this beautiful book, Nurturing Emotional Intelligence by our brother Muhammad Javed. I don't only have this book before meeting brother Javed, but now I have the book in my hand and also have brother Muhammad Javed next to me. Subhanallah. So I urge our brothers and sisters to master the skills of nurturing intelligence in their life, where they can help with the children, teaching students. If you're doing any community activities, inshallah, this book will be a great benefit to you or to anyone who is engaged in, personal lives or empowering other people's lives. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.